Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you guys how to use the Bounce Manager support and resistance indicator and what it can do for you. So many traders use drawing tools on Tradingview for their trading. This includes trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, horizontal support and resistance lines, channels, whatever you can think of. They usually have a drawing tool for it. So in this video we will only cover the horizontal support and resistance line because the indicator is built for that. So how would the trader trade these lines? A trader would find an area where price rejects multiple times from this area. This is a good support and resistance line. So how do we find a very strong one? We can look at this one and we see that price got rejected from this area not only one time but multiple times. All these areas price got rejected from it. Here it almost got to it, and we wouldn't be able to get a trade from the line right there unless we would be manually trading it. This would probably also generate a signal. Here the price stick to the line, then it got back to the line, and it rejected from the line right there. Also here. Here it pushed through the line, but eventually it rejected from the line. And we can see that this line gets a nice reaction multiple times on the chart. So you can just stick to one line if you want to be strict and just use the strongest line you can find. Or you can try to find some other strong support and resistance line. So let me find another one right here. This would be a good one. You see multiple rejections from this line. Control Z if you want to go back in Tradingview. So two lines is not satisfactory for me, so let's create another line. So this starts to look like something you can trade. So now let's go to the indicator to show you how you would be automating these lines so you don't have to look at the chart all day. So let me find it. Bounce Manager support and resistance line. When you first open the indicator, all the lines will be plotted on 0, so it will not send any alert unless Bitcoin would drop all the way to 0 and then move back up, but that's very unlikely. So if you go in the settings, you do that by hovering on the indicator name and then clicking this cogwheel icon. You will find all the lines. This we support 20 support and resistance lines for sending an alert from. So if you want to copy these white lines, you just go to the right side of the chart and find these values Tradingview provides you. It's also always a good decision to round these values to nice round numbers, because usually round numbers mean good resistance levels. So let's type them all in. 37,750. Okay. So if you look at the chart now, there are not many signals from it, and that is because the indicator is on strict. Let's remove these lines to show the indicator better. There's big consolidation filtering on the indicator. If you want to learn about it, go to Bounce Manager ATR. But if you turn this to mild, it will no longer filter that much, and we should be seeing more alerts just from toggling this off. But, let's be less strict on the other parameters, because you want to open quite a few amount of trades. So with these settings, there's quite a lot of trades. So how would you get alerts from it? You would create an alert using this alert icon in Tradingview. You can find it on the top or on the right side. As you can see, I have quite a lot of alerts already. Then when you click this icon, with the condition, you select the indicator, and then you select long entry or short entry, depending on which type of bot you are running. Then you have the option of selecting once per bar. Once per bar will select an alert when the conditions are met. So like Bounce Manager ATR, that would be when price crosses below the confirmation line for a short or above the confirmation line for long. Once per bar close, it will wait for the bar to close and the conditions to be met, and it will open a trade right at this point, or with this one right at this point. So after that, you need to integrate it to a third-party software. We like to use 3 commas for our automation. We'll cover that in a future video. You can also just create alerts that will pop up on the Tradingview platform if you just want to trade it manually. But our indicators are made to create bots. So I recommend you use 3 commas or Signally. So that's how to use this indicator. You also have some visual options. For example, changing the line width to better highlight the lines, or you can remove the lines from the chart. And then you have the Signally alerts, which I also will be covering in a future video, and to use a big wick filter, which I'll also cover in a future video. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and go to our website, which will be in the description if you want access to all our indicators. Goodbye and have a nice day.